H.O.M.E, Housing Opportunities and Maintenance for the Elderly, is an organization that was founded about 43 years ago now, especially to serve low-income seniors in Chicago through housing and housing support services.
In 2024, we awarded $4.4 million to 115 community organizations across the state. We awarded H.O.M.E because of their specialized focus on seniors and their ability to provide comfortable, familiar, and safe housing for them.
Upkeep and Repair is our biggest of the community programs, and that's where we serve homeowners on the south and west sides of the city who just have no other options to get work done, either because they cannot afford the work, or in some cases, contractors won't even go to their neighborhoods.
He had me send him an email of all of the different things that I wanted done in the home, and he looked at the list and he assigned Nate to me to work with me.
We tried to create a more livable and safe environment to our clients. They're more than our clients. They become family, you know.
It's important because it deals with my ability to live a decent life and be able to do what I need to do.
The benefits really include obviously safety and health. If they get their place fixed, they're secure, they're safe, they're healthy. Not only healthy physically, but healthy mentally.
We really want people to know how honored we are to be partnering with these nonprofit organizations across the state. We have a shared purpose with them, and that is to provide people with access to not just care, but quality care.